Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from PW Easy Guide. Begin by collecting lessons, notes, and practice problems, then set a specific goal for each session. Break your study into 25 to 50-minute focused blocks and include short breaks. Use active recall and spaced repetition to strengthen memory. Try explaining topics aloud and track progress with quick self-quizzes. Stay consistent and adjust your plan as needed. In this video, I will explain how to study from PW Easy Guide. Focus on active methods like recall, summarizing, and teaching to boost retention. Convert notes into questions and self-test without looking at answers. Space your reviews across days to use the spacing effect effectively. Mix problem solving with concept review to build flexible understanding. Keep sessions varied so learning stays engaging and efficient. In this video, I will explain how to study from PW Easy Guide. Quick note, if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Also, quick recommendation, a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with smart habit building. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study from PW Easy Guide. Prioritize deliberate practice by targeting weaknesses and simulating test conditions. After each practice set, review mistakes, write concise correction notes, and reattempt similar problems. Track accuracy and speed to measure improvement over time. Combine mixed practice with focused review sessions for deeper learning. Stay patient, celebrate small wins, and refine your approach regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.